Ever felt like you're just one mistake away from being exposed as a fraud in project management? What if I told you that the secret to being a confident project manager actually lies within you and is waiting to be unleashed? You mind if I share a short story with you? I remember a time early in my career when I was working a major project. Everything seemed to be going well. Then I experienced something that, let's be honest, it rattled my confidence. I had just trained two newly onboarded project managers and led this major project successful that I was working on at the same time while I was helping these new project managers get up to speed on the projects that they were assigned. Now, in training them, they end up running into some really tough challenges, which I helped them navigate through. But despite all of that, I was told by the PMO lead that they weren't sure if I was a good fit for this project management role. They even questioned whether if I had the skills to lead effectively. At first, I didn't know how to process this, if I'm being honest, family. How could they say that when I just trained two project managers, but like many of us, those internal voice started to creep in. Maybe they're right. Maybe I'm over my head with this. For a moment, I let that doubt seep in and it started to shake my confidence. But I quickly realized something important. None of this feedback made sense. I had just successfully helped two members step into a role I was in. So I decided to take action for myself to understand my self-worth. So I started looking at my achievements. I started looking at areas where I had grown at. Matter of fact, I got so creative. I created what I now call a reminder corner. Ooh, I like that. See, a reminder corner was a space in the office where I displayed affirmations, quotes, awards that reflected the success I previously had. Every time I looked at it, I was reminded of the work I had done, the progress I had made, and the fact that I was good enough for this role. If you're like me, if you've ever felt doubt like I did, you've been questioned on your abilities, you need to create a reminder corner. It can be a game changer. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your confidence in check while visually anchoring yourself into your success, no matter what feedback you're getting.